Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to send a one-time viewed video on WhatsApp using the PC app, thanks to the latest update. This feature is perfect when you want to share a video that disappears after it's been watched, keeping your chats private and clutter-free. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Once you're in, look through your list of chats and click on the conversation where you want to send your video. This could be a chat with a friend, family member, or even a group. Now, inside the chat window, look for the attachment icon. It usually looks like a paperclip or a plus sign depending on your version. Click on it and you'll see a menu pop up. From here, select Photos and Videos. This will open a window where you can browse the files stored on your PC. Take a moment to find the video you want to send. Once you've located it, click on the file and then hit the Open button. The video will load into your WhatsApp message window, ready to send. Before you send it, look for a small icon with the number 1 on it. Click this icon. This is the key step that turns your video into a one-time view. When you select this, you're making sure your recipient can only watch the video once before it disappears from the chat. Finally, click the Send button. That's it. Your one-time viewed video is now on its way. The person you sent it to will only be able to watch it once, and then it's gone, adding an extra layer of privacy to your conversation. This update makes sharing sensitive or private moments much safer and easier, right from your computer. Give it a try the next time you want to share a special video without leaving a trace. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more simple tech tips.